Riemann-Triebel reaction. What is Riemann-Triebel reaction? The conversion of phenol to salicylic aldehyde is known as Riemann-Triebel reaction. So conversion of phenol to salicylic aldehyde is known as Riemann-Triebel reaction. Now phenol has benzene ring directly attached to OH group. Some conditions apply. Here, in the presence of chloroform and the aqua sodium hydroxide solution and acidification to give up salicylic aldehyde. CHO group introduced ortho position. CHO group introduced ortho position. Here, phenol reacting with chloroform in the presence of NaOH, aldehyde group CHO group introduced the ortho position. Here, in this case, major product as a ortho-hydroxybenzoaldehyde is known as salicylic aldehyde. Minor product are also to be obtained para-isomer, para-hydroxybenzoaldehyde, para-isomer. But main product ortho CHO group introduced the ortho position. So main Riemann-Triebel reaction, the conversion of phenol. That means when phenol treated with chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxide solution, CHO group introduced the ortho position. This is known as Riemann-Triebel reaction. So, how to conversion of this reaction? Some following steps are in there. First, phenol, take phenol. Here, phenol treated with sodium hydroxide. Nucleophile generated. OH minus generated from NaOH solution. The basic medium attract the H plus ion. Eliminate the H2O molecule. To form sodium phenoxide. Here it is reacting with chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxide. Here in this case, NaCl one molecule eliminate, and also here hydrogen, the hydroxyl group eliminate another H2O molecule. Next remaining part CHCl2 connect here ortho position CHCl2 connected ortho position. Here treated with 2 moles of NaOH. Of course, in this case, eliminated the sodium chloride. Here, 2NaCl elimination. At the same time, 2 hydroxyl group substituted here. Here, already is ONA. And here CH. 2 hydroxyl group substituted here. It is a unstable. Here in this case H2O eliminated minus H2O elimination. Here CHO, formation of CHO, formation of CHO, auto position, and which is acidification. Acidification here NaCl eliminate the NaCl, elimination the NaCl. So proton connected here, proton connected. This is a salicyl aldehyde, salicyl aldehyde, salicyl aldehyde, salicyl aldehyde. So phenol, the conversion of phenol to salicyl aldehyde. So simple tricks, conversion simple tricks. But what is the mechanism involved in this reaction? What is the mechanism involved in this reaction? So remember mechanism. Here initially first step, phenol, draw the phenol, here this is a phenol, here treated with sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide solution, it generated the hydroxyl group OH minus. Actually phenol act as acidic nature, so acidic nature, generation of nucleophile and hydroxyl group, so attack the elimination of H2O, so that's why phenol 2 it converts into phenoxide ion, OH minus H, eliminate H2O to form the phenoxide ion. This is a phenoxide ion. And second step, react chloroform CHCl3 treated with sodium hydroxide. These are basic nature. Basic hydroxyl group attract the hydrogen, that means proton, eliminate the H2O molecule, O2 molecule, remaining CCl3 minus. So expansion of chloroform molecule, expanding form of chloroform molecule. So hydroxyl group OH minus. Here hydroxyl group attack the proton from chloroform molecule. Here in this case, chlorine has high electronegativity compared to carbon atom. So that's why both bonded electron towards itself here. So that's why CCl3 here negative charge at nucleophile. Here negative charge basic group attract the proton, eliminate the H2O molecule. So both bonded electron towards itself here. Chlorine are also high electronegativity. So here lone pair electron here. Lone pair electrons here. So that means CCl3. So trichlorocarbene here. Trichlorocarbene. So eliminate the Cl minus. Cl minus. We have pentane, dichlorocarbene, 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 and important dichlorocarbene. Why it is important? So chloroform dichlorocarbene is a electrophile. Why it is electrophile? Why it is electrophile? Here counting the electrons 2, 4, 6. So for according to octet rule, shortage of 2 electrons. Shortage of 2 electrons. So that's why it is a electron deficiency. Electron deficiency. So dichlorocarbene acts as strong electrophile. Strong electrophile. So that's why in first step phenol to phenoxide ion for phenol to phenoxide ion. The phenoxide ion here phenoxide ion here. Now come to the point. Negative charge involved resonance. Negative charge involved resonance. It will convert it to so negative charge involved here resonance. That means so to form a double bond, so pi bond electron shifted to here, this here, that means negative charge. As usual pi bond is there, as usual pi bond. Another form, already all positions connected the hydrogen. Now focusing the hydrogen. Next form, here as usually double bond. So focusing the hydrogen atom here. Now come to the point here. So in this case, attack the dichlorocarbene CCl2. Dichlorocarbene. Here dichlorocarbene. CCl2 electrophile. The negative charge nucleophile highly react to phenoxide ion. So this is an electrophile. So electron species attack the position. Here phenoxide ion highly reactive nucleophile. It is an electron deficiency electrophile. So attacking. So connected. Here observe this. So this connected bond. Here CCl2. Here cleanly observe the connection of CCl2 molecule. Lone pair is there. Here lone pair is there. But conversion connectivity. So cleanly observe connectivity bond, CCl2 bond. So lone pair as usual is there. So here stay there 5 bond. Here also stay there 5 bond. Another form. Here in this case, you cleanly observe. See lone pair attract the proton. Through conjugation. So this bond involves the aromaticity ring. So pi bond shifted to here. In this case. Next form. So O minus pi bond shifted to here. That means O minus bond enter into inside the ring. Here as usually pi bond. As usually is there pi bond. Here lone pair So it will CHCl2, CHCl2, and next form CHCl2, two molecules of NaOH, two molecules of NaOH. It is treated with two molecules of NaOH. Here 2NaCl eliminated, 2NaCl minus 2NaCl eliminated. At the same time, two hydroxyl group connected here, two hydroxyl group connected here, two hydroxyl groups connected here. So CH, two hydroxyl group OH, there are also OH here, O minus, as usually pi bonds, the conversion form, it is alone unstable, eliminate the H2O molecule, eliminate the H2O molecule. Next form, here O minus, as usually pi bonds is there. Here formation of CHO, aldehyde CHO, only CHO, formation of CHO aldehyde group, which is an acidification. So the O minus acidification, two sources of protons is there, the connected here. This is an salicylic aldehyde. And remember, in this mechanism, some key points is there. First, initially, phenol treated with chloroform in the presence of NaOH solution to form the orthohydroxybenzaldehyde or para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. But most probably favorable substitute main product to be obtained orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. That means other product, main product. Para isomer less. So that's why major quantity to be obtained salicylic aldehyde other product. So in this mechanism, some key points: phenol to phenoxide ion, first step. Next step, chloroform to dichlorocarbene electrophile. That electrophile attack the phenoxide ion to form the salicylic aldehyde. This is known as the Raman-Raman reaction. This is known